Smells nice. What is it?
Fisherman's bake.
Lovely.
For one.
What are you having then?
Ain't you supposed to be lunching up Dorian's?
No, she's back on that stupid hip and thigh diet, isn't she? Somehow I don't fancy all that meat at lunchtime. I remember a time when you couldn't eat nothing before going to visit Daryl.
Yeah, well, just goes to show how you can get used to anything given time.
Which he was. Oh, who's that at the window? Oh. Look, I'll swap you a bit of really tasty gossip for a bit of your slightly tasty fisherman's bake.
I'm not interested in gossip.
Dorian is planning to spend an whole night with Luke in his flat above the kitchen shop.
Nah. Who told you?
She did, in strictest confidence.
So why are you telling me then?
Well, gossip ain't worth passing on unless it's in strictest confidence. Achoo! Sorry, Charles.
Mrs. Stubbs.
Well, of course I'm Mrs. Stubbs. There's no one else here, is there? Now, what the hell's going on?
I am Mrs. Simmons, the prison welfare officer.
Well, why can't I go and see my Daryl? He ain't on the roof again, is he?
Take a seat, would you, Mrs. Stubbs? Frankly, I'm at a loss as to why you're here.
Oh, you ain't transferred him to some other nick, have you?
No, he's in the hospital, of course. Didn't you know?
The prison hospital?
Oh, no, we don't have facilities here for emergencies. He's in the Royal Infirmary.
Oh, he ain't tried to top himself, has he? Because he was feeling very depressed at my last visit. I'll blame it on the food in here. All them additives and colourings and E-numbers. Well, he's got a very sensitive digestion. He likes fillet steak, corn-fed chicken, Scotch smoked salmon. Can't stomach that Canadian stuff. I bet you've been feeding him Canadian stuff.
Mrs. Stubbs, I think I can with confidence say that your husband has not been force-fed inferior smoked salmon.
Then why is he in hospital?
Appendicitis.
Oh, no. He could die.
Well, he won't. The operation was a complete success.
Was? When?
Well, he was taken ill last Thursday and they operated on Friday.
Well, that's almost a week ago. Why didn't no one tell me?
Well, I was off duty at the time, but the assistant governor said he would write straight away.
Ain't you heard of telephones?
Oh, I'm very sorry.
Yeah, I'll bet. Oh, poor Daryl. He must have abandoned him. He's probably lying there all alone in his bed of pain.
There you go, Daryl. Just like what the private patients are getting.
Thanks, Joy.
Hold on. He's not allowed booze.
It's doctor's orders, medicinal.
Here we go. Well, did you find anything? Any drugs, skeleton keys, sawn-off shotgun?
Not yet. Yeah, it's all right. It's clear.
Tar very much.
You like messing his food up, don't you?
Just doing my job, darling, like you should be. Instead of getting all mushy about him, I mean, he's a convicted violent criminal, you know. Not the Count of Monte Bleeding Cristo.
Oh, Daryl.
Baby.
Oh.
Hey, what's this, a snogogram?
She's my wife.
Oh. You're right. How'd you feel?
I'm fine. Well, you know, I'm a bit weak and sore, but on the mend.
They never told me. I went to the prison. It was awful.
Oh, calm down, Trace. I'm OK. Anyway, it's better you didn't come before. Today's the first day I really felt myself.
It's not him feeling himself you want to worry about, love.
Ignore him, Trace. It's just his pathetic attempt at humour. Go and get a vase, would you? There's a good constable.
I can't leave the room, can I? She might slip you Sunday. Or vice versa.
Oh, please, officer. Can't we just have a few minutes alone?
A few seconds would do it.
There you are, Mrs. Stubbs.
Thank you.
Shall I just plump up your pillows for you, Daryl?
Thank you, nursey. I'd like to be alone with my husband. What's going on with her, Daryl?
Nothing. Well, I think she's got a bit of a crush on me.
You sure you ain't been encouraging her? You've only been here 5 minutes.
Of course I've been encouraging her, Trace.
Eh?
Don't you see? This is a fantastic one-off opportunity.
What? To do a Kenneth Clark and screw the NHS?
I mean, this is a fantastic one-off opportunity to escape.
Escape?
Oh, a bit louder, Tracy. He's got earphones on.
What are you talking about?
Joy and me. I've got it all worked out. Don't worry.
But where would you go? I mean, the law will be after you.
I'm not talking about going over the wall for good. I just fancy a night out with my missus.
Well, don't you think Mr. Plod'd notice?
I told you, it's all under control. Me and Joy got...
Oh, what is all this me and Joy stuff? I mean, what was she doing before? Plumping your pillars up or trying to breastfeed you?
She's just very understanding.
Yeah, I saw.
No. Her brother's doing a 10 stretch at Wakefield. And she reckons he's been fitted up, so she's on our side.
So?
So, do you fancy spending tonight in a little hotel or what?
Of course I do.
Shh. And not a word to that loudmouth sister of yours.
Good afternoon. I'm sorry to bother you, but would you like me to paint your house?
Actually, we're thinking of getting York stone cladding.
No, I mean, would you like me to paint a picture of your house?
Oh, I see. Why?
Ah, there you have me.
Did I? A bit quick, weren't it? How was it for you?
No, you see, once you begin to ask why of art, you embark on the age-old philosophical debate that has preoccupied the world's greatest thinkers since the dawn of recorded time.
Really? Better come in and tell me about it then. Cheers.
Cheers.
Funny old drink, Pernod, isn't it? I only started on it out of curiosity. After I see that advert at the multi-screen. You know, where the naked bird swims through a glassful while the bloke tunes his guitar. Tastes all right, though, doesn't it? Reminds me of aniseed balls.
You like the cinema?
Well, the seats are nice, but they've got this stupid no smoking rule, haven't they?
No, I don't mean that specific cinema. I mean cinema as an art form.
Nah, I just like anything with Mel Gibson in it.
Oh.
So, I thought you was going to show me your paintings then.
Well, I don't think my pictures would really suit your taste.
Oh, take no notice of this old tat. No, my husband, well, my late husband, he chose these pictures before he snuffed it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm not. He was a pig. I'll be glad to get rid of all signs of him.
Ah, good.
So, unzip your portfolio and let the dog see the rabbit.
Hello, Operator Services. This is 501-2797. I want to book an alarm call. What time? Oh, let's say about 30 seconds. What do I want an alarm call for in 30 seconds? To wake me up, of course. What do you mean I am awake? How do you know? I could be Sparko. Look, just give me an alarm call, will ya? But Maureen Littman doesn't have to put up with all that verbal. Hello? Oh, thank you very much. Hello? Yes, this is Mrs. Stubbs. Oh, no.
What is it?
When?
What is it?
How?
What is it?
But he's going to be all right, my little Garfy.
What the hell is it?
Shh! Yes, of course. Straight away. Kettering General. Right.
Something the matter, Tracy?
It's Garfy. He's got to have his appendix out.
Oh, no.
Yeah, he was just taken ill during double Latin. He's in Kettering General. Private room, of course.
Of course.
Of course. But they can't operate until I sign the release form.
He's going to be all right, though, isn't he?
Yeah, he's stabilised. Poor baby. But I've got to be with him.
All night?
Of course.
Of course. Hello, Martin. It's Sharon. That's right, the rich widow from Chigwell. Yeah, I've been looking at your paintings and your whole style excites me more and more. Well, let me just have a look at my personal organiser. Oh, well, I've got the beautician coming at 6. Oh, and my masseur's here at 8, but I could squeeze you in at 9 for, say, a little light supper. Do you like fish? Pick up cod and chips twice on your way over, will you? Oh, and Martin, don't forget the wallies. Bye. You've either got or you haven't got style.
Still awake?
It's a scintillating company.
I bought you a nice piece of birthday cake.
Hold your horses.
Hands off, it's my cake. If she wanted to give you a bit...
Rolls are rules.
Then no, you make them up.
It's very nice. Compliments to the chef.
Well, we'll leave some for Daryl.
Blimey, it worked. What'd you put in there?
Oh, the usual. Eggs, flour, sugar, chloral hydrate.
Oh,
Here you go.
yeah, where'd you get these?
Our patient on Churchill ward.
Oh, what do you mind?
No, he died this morning. Don't worry, it wasn't infectious.
What stuff? Blimey, it made me jump.
Me too. That drug should have gone straight to his brain.
Yeah, well, if you wanted it to go straight to his brain, you should have stuffed the cake up his bum.
He was a bit special, weren't he?
Van Gogh's one of my heroes.
No, not Van Gogh, Don McLean. Yeah. Now I can get me money back on the empties.
I suppose I'd better be going.
No, hang about. I ain't ordered a picture yet.
Look, cut the pretense, Sharon. Admitted, you've just been messing me around, haven't you? You never had any intention of commissioning a picture. Why should you? You're a wealthy widow and I'm just a struggling artist without much talent.
Oh, you're good, really. I like what you showed me.
Really? Well, great.
I want to see more.
That'll be a tenner, please, mate.
All right, wait a sec.
You made it then?
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, can you pay him?
How much?
Tenner, love. Cheers. Yeah, what's occurring then? You told me this was a medical emergency, not a bit of illicit hanky-panky.
You want a knuckle sandwich?
No thanks, mate. I ate a don't. What time do you want collecting then?
5 a.m. on the dot.
Right, see you later.
God, these electric jug kettles really come to the boil quick.
All right, don't rub it in. I said I was sorry.
Eh?
But not coming to the boil.
Don't be silly, it don't matter.
Does to me.
Look, we got plenty of time.
4 lousy hours.
4 wonderful hours. Look, you gotta look on the bright side. We're together, alone. Nobody knows we're here. Tonight is gonna be the best night of our lives ever. Fancy a custard cream?
Tracy, I don't want to go back.
Oh, no.
I mean it. I can't face the thought of another 7 years banged up with 2 deadbeats in their slop buckets. Jesus, Trace, I've got to get away.
Daryl, you can't.
I'm out now, Trace. This is the only chance I'm going to get. We can shoot off home now, get our passports, fetch Garthy, and all be across the channel
That's
before...
stupid.
Oh, it's not the overcast run all night.
All right. Supposing we do a bunk, then what?
Next stop, South America.
Oh, there's a night bus from Calais to Rio, is there?
Eh?
Daryl, what would we use for money?
Well, put the air tickets on plastic.
And how do we pay it back?
Who cares? We'll be in Rio. Don't you want to be with me and Garthy in the sun? On Copacabana? Carnival time in Rio. Best football in the world. Tropical fruit just hanging off the trees. Can't you just see it? Can't you just taste it?
Yeah, but it's pie in the sky.
Don't you want me on the outside?
Well, of course I do. But not as a fugitive from justice. When you get out, I want us to be able to walk arm in arm round Tesco's with our heads held high. Not looking over our shoulders all the time.
Well, this is my big chance. Unless, of course, you don't want me out. Unless, of course, you've got some bloke tucked away somewhere. Is that why you weren't bothered when I couldn't do the business, was it?
That's it, Daryl. You've rumbled me. I'm sexually satiated due to the attentions of the entire night shift of Ford's of Dagenhams.
What is it then?
I told ya.
No, it ain't good enough, Tracy.
Daryl? Daryl! Oh, Daryl, please! Daryl! Daryl? Daryl! Daryl, where are ya? Oh, God, please come back. Daryl, you stupid!
Tracy, where the hell have you been?
Where have I been? Where have you been, you stupid?
Idiot, Burke, Pillock, you choose.
Oh, I love you so much.
Hello. I'm sorry. I love you too. Oh, it's just that I had to get out of four walls, breathe fresh air, run round under the stars, feel grass under my feet and get stung by those bleeding nettles round the back of the hotel.
Daryl, let's go to bed, eh? It's only 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm shattered. Oh.
Time check for all you early risers. It's 5:10.
I want to break free. I want to break free.
Should have woken me up.
Don't worry, love. You need your rest. You've just had an operation.
I won't ask if you had a nice night.
You're looking for a good slap.
Daryl.
I want to break free. I want to break free. Da, da, da. Oh,
What's he so happy about?
I want to break free. Oh no, it's the old Bill.
Do you know you were doing 65 miles an hour in a built-up area?
No, but if you have the first few bars, I might be able to pick it up.
Driving licence.
Yeah, mate, hang about.
Tracy, suppose he recognises me.
Just keep calm. We don't know him, officer. We just called a minicab.
You do have a driving licence, I suppose?
Yeah, of course I do. It must be in here.
Oh dear. Turn your engine off, give me the keys, get out of the car. Assuming you can stand up.
I knew he was trouble the minute he picked me up. Millwall supporter.
It'll be all right.
I'm afraid I'll have to take this car to the police station. You can call a proper licensed taxi cab from there.
No, it's all right. We'll walk. We're only a mile away from home if we cut through the woods. We'll be fine.
You sure?
Yeah, honest. It's a lovely morning. Now what?
Now we find a phone box, and fast.
Huh?
Martin?
No, ow. Oh. Oh, not again. All right, Sharon, just let me sleep.
What's the matter with you? You should be at your physical peak. You're a young man.
Was.
Yeah? Where are you? With who? Why didn't you tell me? Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right, stay where you are. Tidy up before you go, will you? Dorian! Dorian! I'm sorry to interrupt, but I need a lift.
What the hell?
Tracy's in trouble.
Is she in physical danger?
No.
Well, then I'm going back to bed.
Dorian, if you don't help us, I'm going straight round your house and give Marcus the full SP on you and Luke. Runners, riders, the lot.
I'll get my coat.
Thank you.
Well, where are they?
She definitely said the Jolly Farmers.
You know how many jolly farmers there are?
No, but I expect you've cheered most of them up. Tracy! Why they ain't been nicked? Tracy! Trace!
You came quick.
Hey?
Talking to Sharon.
Oh, what is it? Oh, you all right, love?
I think I burst my stitches.
Oh, you must have done that when you gave him that big hug.
No, I didn't. You did it whenever you gave him whatever you were giving him when I got here.
While you two are apportioning blame, this poor boy's in rather a lot of discomfort. Oh, what a stroke of luck.
God, you're stupid.
Hello again. I thought you were walking home.
We found him by the road. Look, he's bleeding.
Have you been mugged? Can you describe the men? Were they black?
He lost his stitches. We've got to get him to hospital quick.
True. Come on then, mate. Now, your face is very familiar.
I've had it a long time.
Stubbs? Stubbs, where the hell are you? Oh, no, not a bloody escape, please! Where the hell have you been?
Casualty.
What? His stitches burst in the night, didn't they?
I was screaming in agony and you was snoring like a pig. If Joy hadn't heard me, I could have bled to death.
We've got a good mind to report you to your senior officer. Look, I've said I was sorry. What more do you want?
It's just very wounding to learn that your own sister don't trust you. Do you honestly think I'd have told anyone about you and Daryl's big night out?
It was Daryl that didn't want me to tell no one.
Oh, that's it. Blaming on a sick man. That's really sinking low, that is.
Give it a rest, will you, Shal?
If the boot had been on the other foot, I'd have told you.
What on earth's been going on in here?
I wanted to watch a video in bed and I ain't got a player in my room.
Oh, report me to the rent tribunal, why don't ya?
I said I'm sorry.
No, you never. Well?
You probably ain't going to believe this, Trace. He come to paint the house.
What'll I do when you are far away and I am blue? What'll I do when I'm alone? What'll I do?